session, we have to discuss the topic about accessing the members of a class. So, accessing the members of a class means we have to accessing the data members or member data or member functions that can be accessed in a outside the class. It can be accessed in a commonly we have to access it in a main function using one of the object. We have to creating an object. We have to normally creating an object in a main function. We have to use it accessing the members of a class or member function of a class. The members of a class, for example, in previous example, we have to show about the main function void main. It containing student is one of the class name, and we are creating the object S and clear screen. S dot read is one of the member function, and display is also another member function. In this example, we have to using one of the object, creating one of the object S. We have to accessing the object, we have to accessing the member function using one of the operator, dot operator. So S is one of the object name, it is one of the dot operator, it is one of the member function name. It will be containing, suppose, argument list, it is generally defined as argument list. So it can be the general format for accessing the member of a class. It can be written as first one, S is one of the object name. Next, it contains the member function. Suppose it will be containing the argument list. It can be written as argument list. It is one of the general format for accessing the members of a class. Accessing the members means it will be member function or data members, and data members means variables. Member function means function that will be declared in a public section. We have to accessing the members or data members or member function using class. It can be used to accessing one of the, we have to creating one of the object, accessing one of the dot operator, and also containing the member function. That is the general format for accessing the members of a class. And another one syntax like that is object name dot data member. So it is also one of the, we have to accessing the data member using the dot operator, we have to creating one of the object. That is one of the general format for accessing the members of a class. It is the general format for accessing the data members of a class. It is one of the general format for accessing the data member, accessing the member function of a class. That is one of the general format for accessing the members of a class. For example, we have to consider S is one of the object. We have to using the member function like read. That is one of the example for accessing the members of a class. Suppose we have to creating object E dot display. So it is also one of the example for accessing the members of a class. So this is one of the accessing the member of a class. We have to access it using one of the operator, that is the dot operator. Asking one more question, which operator it is used to accessing the member of a class? We have to use one of the operator, that is the dot operator. And next one concept is, we have to illustrate one of the C++ program using class. We have to calculate area of rectangle. So first we have to write the C++ program to find area of rectangle, we have to calculating the equation like area equals length into breadth. This is the equation for calculating the area of the rectangle. So first, using one of the header files, hash include iostring.h and another one is there hash include conio.h. Next, we have to take another class. Class name will be rectangle. And next one, improvised section colon. It contains in area of rectangle. It will be containing the data members like area, length, and breadth. It can be written as inch area, comma length, comma breadth. Generally, we have to take a next. For example, A is equal to L into B. And so we have to take an as area, comma length, comma breadth. Suppose we have to take an as A is equal to L into B. In this, data members will be A, comma L, comma B. And next one, it contains the public section. It contains the three member functions like void reach, void calculate, void display. It is one of the class declaration. It contains the class name rectangle. It will be taken as the private section, int area, comma length, comma breadth, and it contains the three member functions like void read, void calculate, and void display. Again, we have to accessing member function outside the class. We have to take an accessing member function outside the class using one of the operator, that is scope resolution operator. So first one, member function like read function. It contains the data type, that is void. And class name will be rectangle. The first character will be uppercase letter, that can be written as rectangle. Scope resolution operator, read function. Next, it contains, we have to reading the values length and breadth. It can be in CF statement, we have to return as enter the value for length and breadth. See, length, breadth. Closing flower bucket. And next one member function is there calculate. So it can contain the previous data type, that is void. It can be written as void. Again, write as class name rectangle. Scope resolution operator. It contains the member function name calculate. In this member function, we have to write the calculate equation. Area equals length into breadth. And closing flow bucket. And last member function like void display. We have to again a display member function. It contains the data type void. First we have to return as void, and next one class name rectangle. Scope resolution operator display. It will be displayed the result, that is area of rectangle. In this statement, Cout equals Cout area equals area. Closing flower project. So first we have to close opening brace in class declaration. That will be opening brace will be there and closing brace must not should terminated as the semicolon. And next one, void, we are to using one of the accessing member function outside the class using scope resolution operator. In this example, it will be opening brace will be there, it will be closed it, and this member function will be accessed using open brace, and this brace will be closed it, and this brace it will be closed it. And next one, every C++ program must and should containing the main function. It can be written as and finally written as the main function void main. Again, first we have to take as the class name. In this program we have to take as the class name, that is rectangle. We have to creating one of the object, that is R. So we have to creating one of the object, that is R. CLR is CR. Next, in this program containing three member functions like read, calculate and display. In first R dot read function, again R dot calculate function, next one R dot display function, and finally ch and closing bracket. So this is one of the program for calculating the area of the rectangle, and it will be used to accessing the member function using one of the object name using dot operator. Read also one of the member function, calculate is also one of the member function, and display is also one of the member function. So this is the concept we have to use it to accessing the member of a class. And again one more program is there, that is we have to calculating the simple interest. So we have to calculate the simple interest. It is one of the practical oriented program. It can be, so every program that will be in this year we have to write all programs used. This is one of the method we have to use one of the implementing the program using class. And another one of the program is there, write a C++ program to find or to calculate simple interest. Next program is write a C++ program to calculate simple interest. So write a C++ program to calculate simple interest, and simple interest equation like that is PTR divided by 100. So SI is equal to SI will indicate the simple interest. The equation will be PTR divided by 100. This is one of the equation we are calculating the simple interest. In this equation, it will be containing four data members: SI, P, T, R. These are the data members. We have to write a C++ program about as include iostream.h and hash include conio.h. Next, class simple interest we have to take as simple. Again we have to take as opening brace. It contains the private section. Same method in a previous program. So private we have to take as the data type int. It contains the four data members like SI, P, T, R. Again, it contains the public section. section colon void read void calculate. Next, void display. And closing brace and must and should terminated at the semicolon. The first member function, like read member function, it contains the data type void. Void. And next one, class name will be simple. Next, scope resolution operator, first member function, like that is read function. Next, we have to read the value of PTR. It can be written as cout. Enter the value for P, R. Again, it contains the same statement P, R. Next, closing brace. Again, next member function is there, that is calculate. It contains the data type void. Class name will be simple. Scope resolution operator, calculate. Next, opening brace. Equation will be SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. It can be written as SI is equal to P into T into R divided by 100. This is the equation. We are calculating the simple interest and closing brace. And last one will be member function, that is display member function. It contains the data type void and class name will be simple. Scope resolution operator, display. Next, cout SI equals SI and closing brace. And this is one of the class declaration. And finally write the main function. In this example containing three member function, read, calculate and display. Next, finally written as main function void main. Next, class name will be simple. We have to take we have to create one of the object S. Next, CLR is here. Next, S dot read, S dot calculate. Next, S dot display. We have to easy to write the main function. It contains class name. First, we have to return as a class name. We have to take as any variable. It is not for S. We have to take as any variable. It can be one of the object. And finally, terminated colon. Next, clear screen. And it contains, in this program contains three member functions, that is read, calculate and display. It is also read. It can be written as read, calculate and display. It contains the object S. Suppose we have to take as E, it can be written as E dot read, E dot calculate, E dot display. So we have to take as, we have to declare one of the object, that is S. S dot read, S dot calculate, S dot display. So and finally written as SCH and closing brace. So in this program, it is one of the practical oriented programming. So in this chapter carries 6 marks, 1 question and 5 mark, 1 question. Thank you.